I'm Nate Eaton outside the Ada County Courthouse. We're here with Judge Steve Hippler. He is the administrative judge over the 4th District, which encompasses Ada County. Judge, let me just ask you, what have you guys been doing to prepare for such a big, prominent trial?
So we've been cooperating and working closely with Madison and Fremont County Administration and all of our justice partners here, the clerk's office, the sheriff's office, the trial court administrator, other agencies, city police, others, to ensure that we have the resources and we have the bandwidth to be able to put on a trial like this. It's not the trial itself that's particularly difficult. We have big trials here all the time. It's the media interest and the degree to which you all are needing to cover this that causes more issues in terms of securing the jury from that kind of influence, as well as to just make sure everybody can do their job appropriately. So it's really a teamwork effort that we've started, probably a year and a half ago, preparing for.
That far out, because as you mentioned, there is such an interest. And one thing I think a lot of viewers might not realize is this isn't the only thing happening at the courthouse. You've got a lot of other things happening.
Yeah, this is a very busy courthouse. We have almost 40 judges here at any given time, and 27 courtrooms. So we have a lot going on. This week, as an example, I had to ask 3 judges to vacate jury trials they had set for this week because we simply didn't have enough courtrooms, and that's not unusual, and so that's just how busy we are here at times.
So what do you foresee for the next few weeks? What do you want the public to know who might want to come down and actually attend a portion of the trial?
So what I would suggest, 2 things, is 1, be sure you get on the reservation system that's linked on the website, the district court's website, or I think you can get there almost from any Ada County government website now. Make sure the day before you sign up for a reservation, whether you want to sit in the courtroom or in the media overflow where it's shown on closed circuit television. And it's set up in a way so if you want to sit in the courtroom, that opens first and you can apply, and you'll find out if you got a seat or not. And if you didn't, then the overflow room is very large, almost 200 seats, so there's plenty of seats there, most likely. So do that in advance. Don't just come down here thinking I'll go watch it without having gotten a reservation. And second is be patient in terms of the parking. We have limited parking and a given day, any day, without all of the media here and without all the interest. And then be patient. Everybody who comes in has to go through the magnetometer and be screened, and so there can be lines at certain parts of the day in order to get in. So bring your patience.
I would say that having been here all week, everyone is very professional as far as the security people, very friendly, courteous. So we haven't experienced any issues. What's been the response so far? I mean, are these rooms filling up? So far, we've only been in the overflow. What's been the response?
So far, they're only doing jury selection right now, and Judge Boyce is not allowing people in the courtroom itself in order to make the jurors more comfortable because they have to talk about personal details, and so they can. They're not allowed in the courtroom. They're allowed in the overflow room. The jurors' faces are not shown when they're being questioned to protect their identity, and they're not using their names or using juror numbers. But the interest we've had so far for that, I think we've had maybe 40, 50 people in the overflow room, which again can accommodate about 200. So far, things have been fine. We expect probably a lot more come the beginning of the case itself next week. But I think once we get going and get into a routine of the trial, things will be relatively smooth. The administration here, the partnership between the 3 counties, Ada County, Madison, Fremont, and all the justice partners involved has been tremendous in working with one another and cooperating, and so I'm not anticipating a lot of hiccups.
Last question, have you seen anything like this here at Ada County?
I've certainly seen a lot of big trials, significant trials. In terms of media interest, we've had cases with a lot of local media interest, but in terms of the degree of national and international media interest, in my 10 years here, I have not seen that.